NAWON Food and Beverage Company Limited, the leading food and beverage manufacturer and supplier, is based in Vietnam, was established in the early 2018 with the passion to introduce Vietnamese tropical healthy drink all over the world. Your health, our mission, means your health is our mission. This slogan is consistent with our mission. All of NAWON's products are healthy and nutritious drinks, helping customers improve everyday health and life through our health improvement products. Besides, our commitment continually improves the taste and nutritious quality of all our products, helping millions of people enjoy delicious beverages and achieve a healthy lifestyle. Our mission is to protect and improve customers' everyday health and lives. We ensure to provide the freshest, purest, and most natural, healthy drinks to our customers. We always put quality and reputation at the top of the business, enhancing the value for our customers, associates, and communities to become the leading beverage company. As the leading beverage supplier, NAWON has achieved many accredited certificates such as USDA Organic, Organic, ISO 22000, HACCP, GMP, Halal, FDA, etc. NAWON must fulfill high quality and safety standards to meet public expectations, maintain legal compliance, satisfy customers. Currently, NAWON has achieved BRC certificate, which ensures product quality when importing into many markets around the world, especially Europe and the American market. NAWON has also attended many accredited fairs and exhibitions such as Dubai Gulf Food, FAFEX, SIL, etc.